Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make block text in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. Name, white, height, resolution, color mode RGB, background color white. Click OK. Already create this. Then create a new layer. Right click, white text and choose your text style, impact. Then click anywhere, type block. Then press Ctrl T on your keyboard, hold Shift, draw, hold Ctrl, align middle. Then press Ctrl J for duplicate layer, select duplicate layer, down arrow key, right arrow key. Then again hold Ctrl Alt Shift T. 1, 2, 3. OK. Then click on the first layer, double click, use color white. Click on the second layer, double click again, use yellow color. Again blue. Double click, dark gray and only dark. Okay, then again customize to this. Down arrow key, right arrow key. You can use left or right as you wish. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.